So when you're in the process of helping to encourage him to lead in the relationship, you want to do two things. The first one is you want to not attack, blame, criticize, or give advice. All of those can see as you stepping into that role of actually, it sounds like being his mom, and that never works very well. So, those are things not to do: the attack, blame, criticize, or give advice. But the one thing that you do want to do is you want to follow him, even if he's not the best leader in the world. He's going to be reading your signals. Trust me, he does all the time. And as he reads your signals, he's going to know if he's doing it well, or if you're not happy, he'll know he needs to adjust. And if you let him adjust until he actually really does make you smile, it'll be much more effective than anything you could say or any advice that you could give. It's kind of like the old game red light, green light. I don't know if you ever played that as a kid, but men have kind of two modes when it comes to emotions: either stop or go. And he does that based on how you respond to him. So if you have a smile on your face, if you're being pleasant, if you're affirming just in your facial expressions, then he's got the green light. He knows he's on the right track. But the slightest change in your face, remember, he's more sensitive than you are. The slightest change in your face tells him, not quite right. And so he's got a red light, and he will start to adjust to try to get that all back in line to make you smile again. Okay. So the red light actually can be a total dead stop at where he feels like just walking off the dance floor or giving up trying to be leader. And that's when women consistently step in and try to tell him how to lead. So you can't be a leader if no one is willing to follow you. You have the power to actually encourage his leadership in ways that you're going to find amazing. If you just remember, let him know when he's doing something right with your smile.